Hey, what's up? This is Brandon Belch. I would like to welcome you to my video. What I'm going to do right now is walk you through step by step how to sell 1,000 ebooks. I don't care if you sell them for $50, $75, $100, no matter how much you are selling your ebook for, I'm going to show you how to sell that ebook 1,000 times right here in this video. So I'm going to do this using PLR Robot. Now, I don't know if you've heard me talking about PLR Robot, but PLR Robot is an AI content generating tool that will allow you to generate blog posts, social media captions, video descriptions, and so many other things. PLR Robot is the AI tool for entrepreneurs and content creators to instantly create content that will help you sell your products, just simply put. So let me show you exactly how this is going to work. So I'm going to give you, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to go through the example of selling a generational wealth ebook at, let's say, like $99, because everybody want to know how to build generational wealth. So this is the type of ebook that can be sold for much more. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in generational wealth right over here, PLR Robot. Checklist. Then I'm going to put generational wealth right here. So remember, PLR Robot is going to generate this checklist for me in just a few seconds, probably less than a minute, most likely. So let's go ahead and get this checklist generated, because the thing is, this is how it's going to work. Let me go ahead and wait for it to generate. There we go. There go the checklist already generated. So it says generational wealth is a term used to describe the transfer of wealth from one generation to the next. It's a long-term goal that requires careful planning and execution. To ensure that your family's wealth is passed down to future generations, it is important to create a generational wealth checklist. This checklist includes the following steps. There go the checklist right there. 5 nice steps that I will be giving away for free. Now, if you want to really crush it, follow these steps, because there's marketers like Frank Karen and John Reese do this kind of stuff to make $1 million a month. That is $1 million a month. And it's very simple. It's just taking people through a funnel and process. And this is exactly how you do it using PLR Robot. Now, a lot of times I've had to create these on my own, but now that I have PLR Robot and something this powerful, I can simply generate these checklists like crazy. So I generated the generational wealth checklist, and let me just go over here to, let's say, plrhustle.com, and let me type in generational wealth. Remember, if you already have an ebook, you don't have to buy no ebook or anything if you already have an ebook for sale. So this is a generational wealth ebook right here on PLR Hustle. Now, if I wanted to resell this ebook, like I said, I could resell an ebook like this for $99 all day long. So you got to see the dots connecting here. I have my checklist that I'm going to give away for free. And I also have a related ebook that I'm going to sell for $99. So how human psychology works, whenever somebody getting something for free, they are more likely to purchase something from you. It's the law of reciprocity. So that's a very powerful thing, because it's almost like an obligation. Okay, this person gave me a free checklist that's really good, so let me check out this ebook that they got for sale. And you'll have people buying like crazy like that. And that's why this strategy is so powerful, because there's psychology that goes into this strategy. So I got my checklist right here, and I got my ebook right here. So what do I do now is I can simply copy this checklist right here. I can copy the entire thing. I can go over somewhere to like docs.google.com, and I can create a new Google Doc. So after I do that, let me just space down. Let me put generational wealth checklist, and I can make it look nice and bold, like that. And I can simply save it as a PDF. Let's export it. Okay, download PDF document. There it is. Already got a PDF document right here. Already ready. I should have deleted that page right there, so I would have to delete that second page since it's blank. But this is the generational wealth document already created right here. So what would I do now that that's downloaded? I can go somewhere like Google Drive. Let's just go to Google Drive real quick. Okay, so that document is uploaded to Google Drive now. Now all I need is the link. I need the share link. So let me go, anyone with this link can have access, copy link. And what would I do with this link? I would go right over here to Aweber. Now Aweber allows you to build some very nice, simple landing pages. So let me show you how simple this landing page right here that I would use. Landing page, I would just simply use a landing page just like this. I would write up my nice little headline. Now, depending on what ebook you have and what niche you are in, you will write up a simple headline. The best thing to do is to ask a question, like they're asking a question right here on the demo. I would say, ready to build generational wealth for you and your family, or ready to build generational wealth. Just something like that, short and sweet. Name and email. Not only will I have the chance to sell to them on the thank you page, but I will also have their contact information to hit them up with another product, or to hit them up with some more value whenever I feel like it. So I would simply go over here to Aweber, build me a nice little opt-in page like this, and then I would simply build a nice little thank you page that links them to their freebie. So of course I would have my nice little photo right here. See where it says download this free ebook? I'll put my URL right here, my Google Drive URL. I will put download checklist. Or download your checklist. Then this is where the magic's going to happen right here. I would simply have a link. I wouldn't have nothing too pushy. Click here if you are serious about building wealth or generational wealth. Click here if you are serious about building generational wealth. So not only will they get the freebie, but they will also get to click there if they are serious about building generational wealth. Where would this link to? My e-commerce site. Selfie, Shopify, wherever my ebook is for sale, even my website, wherever I have this ebook at for sale, this ebook right here, wherever I have it at for sale for $99, do you understand that this button is going to link to it? And if 2,000 people go through this process, that is 2,000 people exposed to my ebook that I have for sale. This is extremely powerful because not only are we generating the checklist, unique, powerful checklist right here for free with PLR Robot, but we're also selling something that's very related. Now understand that if somebody go through this process and they download your checklist, they obviously want to build generational wealth. So even if you have 100 people go through this process, let's say you got 100 people go through this process and 5 people purchase a $99 ebook out of 100, that's $500. And if you are promoting, let's say, an ad on Pinterest over here, which I'm going to show you in a second, for $3 to $5 a day, you're going to spend anywhere from $90 a month all the way up to $150 a month, which is nothing, to possibly make $500 plus in return. So going through this process, and that's only $500 plus, you know, when you scale this, and you could sell way more than 5 out of 100. I'm just, putting it at as low as numbers, at the worst case scenario. But at the end of the day, once you scale this, as you can see, it's very, very easy to get to 1,000 sales, ebook sales very fast because you are selling without even trying to sell. What you're trying to do is give away a free ebook and you're selling on the thank you page. That's why this is so powerful. And if you look up marketers like Frank Karen, John Reese, Ryan Dice, these guys make millions of dollars a year, $10+ million a year with exactly what I'm telling you right here, 100% for free, just because you're subscribed to me on the channel. Or if you're not, go ahead and subscribe because I'm going to drop so many nuggets like this. It's going to be next level. So what am I going to do next? I'm going to go over here to Canva and I'm going to create a nice little Pinterest pin. So I just put how to build generational wealth right here. And if you go to canva.com, you can just search for free Pinterest templates. And I'll type in wealth right here. And I'm going to drag this over here. And I'm going to just do it just like this. Kind of put it up there so it won't be touching her head. I can make that black if I want to, just to make it stand out a little bit more luxury. I want a nice look and feel when it comes to this generational wealth stuff. I think that looks really good. So what would I do? I would just simply download that Pinterest pin right there. Click download. I got my nice Pinterest pin downloaded. So what I would do is I would simply go over here to Pinterest. I'm over here on my PLR Hustle account. I would go to Pinterest. I would click add a pin. After that pin is uploaded, I would keep it simple. And I would simply link to my site. I'm going to just put yoursitehere.com. That's all you have to do. So look at what's going on here. You have a checklist. You have a product to sell on a thank you page. You have a Pinterest pin. And you have the pin posted on Pinterest. You have all of this stuff perfectly aligned for you to promote this pin on Pinterest. And whenever you promote this pin on Pinterest, it's simply going to link to your landing page. Once it links to this opt-in page right here and people opt in, they're going to land on the thank you page. Once they land on the thank you page, they're going to download the checklist and they're going to have the opportunity to purchase your ebook. And that's how the money is made. As you can see, if you give your pin a little boost, now you want to just keep it stupid simple. Just target people who's typing in make money online, build wealth and stuff like that. That's if you are in this niche. Now, and if you got a different niche, just target people that's possibly typing in what you are promoting, what you are actually giving away, not even promoting, what you're giving away. And when you do that, you're going to have people all day long going through this process. And this is going to be an automated process. You can be asleep. It can be 4 a.m. and people opting in, checking out the checklist. They downloading it, saying, hey, let me check this out right here. Of course, I'm serious about building wealth. Click on that button. After they click on that button, they go to your sales page. Boom. You got to sell while you're asleep. That's exactly how this works. I wanted to make this simple video to let you know that selling 1,000 ebooks online is not impossible. It's not hard. Trust me, it's not hard at all. If you go through this process right here, if you set this up, I can almost guarantee you'll be coming back to this video and telling me about how much success you are having. I just wanted to make this video real quick to show you how simple it is to really crush it. Go ahead and try it out. No matter what your niche is, go ahead and try it out. I'll be making a lot more content just like this, like short, sweet, and to the point. Be on standby. Turn on your post notifications. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know what you thought about it. And I will catch you very soon in my next video.